Hey everyone and welcome back to my channel Crypto Light. Hope you all are doing great. So finally I'm here to tell about the amazing project, but before starting the video I would like to ask you that if you're new in my channel, so kindly subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for further notification. So let's start the review. Maxi Exchange, your easiest way to extremely low fees. Enjoy industry leading low fees starting at just 0%. You can also sign up your account. Simply write your email or phone number and sign up your account. And if you already have an account, so you can log in your account right here. Here you can see they have most trending tokens, 4,178, everyday airdrop, 1000% plus APR, extremely low fees, 0%, comprehensive liquidity, 2.1x of Binance. Most trending tokens trade across 2,992 spot pairs and 1,186 future pairs. Here you can check it out their hot futures, spot gainers and newest. This is an amazing platform. Comprehensive liquidity. Here you can check it out their futures and spot information right here. Rank among the top 10 exchanges on CoinMarketCap with a 24 hours trading volume, surpassing OKX, Coinbase, and Bybit. Over 30 million users worldwide, providing deep liquidity across a broad user base. Industry-leading low fees, 0% maker and 0.05% taker for spot trading. Support 2,200 plus listed tokens and 3,000 plus trading pairs, making it ideal for discovering and trading new coins. Next we have Hold MX to enjoy various privileges, participate in Maxi free airdrop, total event APY. Here you can check it out, 36.36%, enjoy up to 50% of trading fees and up to 70% referral commission. Why choose Maxi? The easiest way to crypto. You just found it. Here you can check it out.
Welcome to MEXC, where entering the world of crypto is as simple as a tap on your screen. Since 2018, we've connected over 30 million users from 170 countries, building a vast and inclusive platform. Start your trading journey in under a minute with just 3 steps. Explore over 3,700 listed tokens, trade 100 pairs with 0 fees, and uncover unlimited on-chain opportunities on DAX Plus. Here, you get rewarded just for being with us. Simply hold MX to get 2 to 5 free airdrops every day and enjoy up to 500% APR. With futures fees as low as 0%, you get to keep more of what you earn. Our world-class liquidity ensures you get lower slippage, better prices, and an unmatched trading experience. Ready to experience the future of trading? Join MEXC today and discover why we are your easiest way to crypto.
You must watch their video for better understanding about Maxi. 3 major measures to safeguard asset security. Instant monitoring of your asset risk with prompt and full compensation for losses caused by the platform. Reserve rate exceed 100%. Transparent asset security means you don't need to worry about withdrawal runs. Secure asset storage, combining cold storage and hot wallet strategies to ensure the safety of your stored asset. Future insurance fund, compensation for losses exceeding margin, allowing you to trade with confidence. Next we have Trade Anywhere with the Maxi app. You can also download it on App Store and Google Play. This is an amazing platform. Here you can check it out, some more information about their support, their product, about Maxi partnership and furthermore. Now I'm showing you their trading page. Here you can see their chart. Their chart is increasing day by day. You can also buy these tokens and you can also sell these tokens right here. Here you can check it out, their recent transaction and their current transaction. You can also deposit and withdraw right here. HBD is listed on Maxi, one of the most advantageous exchange in the industry since its listing on March 28. HBD has shown an astonishing 87,400 plus % growth to date. I'm showing you their official website. Here you can see welcome to Happy Balloon Dog. Get rich with Happy Balloon Dog. Click develop, invite friends and earn Happy Balloon Dog coin. Happy Balloon Dog coin is a hybrid game combining memes and top to earn mechanics. User can earn points and exchange them for HBD tokens. Here you can check it out, their project progress. You can also get free tokens and here you can see their white paper is coming soon. Unique referral program. Get 5x more for premium referrals. Referrals will also receive reward. Level 1 is unlocked 5 level of referral program. You can also check it out, all the stuff right here. They have low fees, security and control over money and high transaction speed. Happy Balloon Dog is a crypto game that will distribute a significant portion of tokens to the community when listed, which emphasize that we value you and your time. Next, we have their tokenomic circle. Here you can check it out, their funding allocation and token distribution. Token capitalization 80%, development 10%, contingency 5%, promotion 5%, and here you can see their token distribution, community 80%, and investor 20%. Here you can see their symbol HBD, initial value 1 HBD, and their type is Dawn. Happy Balloon Dog is a token that can be obtained in our game. Next, we have their roadmap. January 2025, the start of the project, basic game, incomplete update, earn task, and referral system. February 2025, game update, leaderboard, daily reward, and daily combo. March 2025, prepare for listing, on-chain infrastructure development, wallet in-game implementation, Web3 pre-listing quest, and adding on exchange. April 2025, listing, airdrop task, TGE, airdrop distribution. Next, we have their frequently asked question. You must read the frequently asked question for better understanding, like what is the Happy Balloon Dog? Happy Balloon Dog is a simple and engaging clicker game. Player earn coin by tapping on a balloon dog and progressing through levels. The game combines straightforward mechanics with exciting opportunities to grow your income and unlock new features. Happy Balloon Dog is designed to provide a fun and rewarding experience. Player can increase their profit, upgrade their energy, and use boosts to enhance their earning. By progressing through levels, you unlock cards and features that add depth to the gameplay. Like this, you can need furthermore frequently asked question. And if you have any kind of question, so you will ask them right here. Simply write your name, write your email, and then write your message which you want to write. Here you can see the social platform like their Telegram community and their Twitter account. You must join their Telegram community for the latest update, and you can also follow them on their Twitter account. Here you can see their latest news and posts right here. This is an amazing platform. I hope you like the video. You can also subscribe their newsletter right here, and you can see their quick links and further more details. This is an amazing platform. Before ending the video, I would like to ask you that I'm not the financial advisor. I'm just telling you about the amazing project. So do your own research. We will meet in the next video. Bye.